Hi everybody, Jackie here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive. How you doing today?
Doing good, Jackie. How are you?
Doing well. So today we're talking about maintenance on your car or your vehicle. Why is having maintenance done on your car so important?
Well, it's kind of like oil changes. Everybody knows that every now and then you've got to get the oil change or the engine's going to go bad. Well, engine oil is not the only thing that needs to be changed. There's transmission fluid, there is differential fluid, brake fluid, air filters, cabin air filters, spark plugs. There's a lot of different areas of maintenance that are required to keep it running good for a long time.
And you really want the full life out of your car. Vehicles are a huge investment, and you want to get the life out of them. So maintenance just allows you to have the longest life in your car and have it run well for the longest time.
Oh, absolutely.
Avoid expensive repairs.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, how expensive is it to get repairs done on your vehicle?
Well, it's relative, I guess, right? So if you compare transmission fluid service to having lunch, it's probably expensive. But when you compare transmission fluid service to the cost of a new transmission, which is what it prevents you from having to deal with, potentially, it's really, really cheap. That's just one example. Just like engine oil changes versus replacing an engine or an engine repair. Big difference. Yes, big difference. Cabin air filters. If you want to have good airflow, good clean air coming into the vehicle when you have the heat and the air conditioning on, you've got to replace a cabin air filter occasionally. Engine air filters. If you want to have good fuel economy, good engine performance, and the engine lasts a long time, you put an air filter in it occasionally. So an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. I say it all the time because it's so true with engine maintenance. And our goal is to keep you in that vehicle for as long as possible. They're expensive nowadays, and the longer you can make it last, the more value you get from your vehicle instead of having to replace it so often. We've got vehicles with almost 300,000 miles in their fleet. Our shop truck, tows, plows, everything else, it's got 287 on it, 287,000 miles. Doesn't use a drop of oil, runs great. Everything is original in a drivetrain. Good maintenance.
That's what it comes down to. So how often should I, as an owner of a vehicle, come in to get my car maintenance? Once a year? Twice a year? What's the right?
Well, the auto manufacturers have a schedule that they prefer that gets maintained or recommend for maintenance for various parts of the vehicle. That's usually pretty good, except for engine oil and transmission oil. Engine oil, 4,000 to 5,000 miles is better than what they recommend. The engine will last much, much, much longer, and it barely costs anything in the grand scheme of the ownership. Transmission fluid, 60 to 70,000 miles is a great service interval for that. Beyond that, follow the recommended maintenance that they recommend.
And you're good to go.
And good to go. It'll last a long time.
Well, check out their scheduled maintenance area on the website at weberautomotive.com and give Brian Weber a call to learn more and get your car maintenance at Weber Automotive. They believe in honest and fair auto repair, and they're going to help you make sure that your vehicle lasts a long time and you're getting the full value out of it. Thank you so much, Brian.
Thanks, Jake.